Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to the PrimeGuide. In today's tutorial we are just going to look inside the Unity that whenever we are having any game object in our game world and we are not finding any white color inside our game world, everything which is supposed to be white is appearing very black. So what you have to do, how you have to sort this problem out is that you have to just go inside the Windows menu. Inside the Windows you have to choose rendering and then light settings. Okay, so here is a lighting panel in our Unity which is opened. What you have to do is, the thing is very simple, just look over here. This is the checkbox, auto generate lighting. You have to just check it out. Okay, it would take a few minutes to generate this light, and after this it would just generate the light and everything would be visible and white color would be visible inside the Unity, so white color would become default. That's all for this tutorial. For more Unity tutorials, do subscribe our channel and follow us and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is me signing off. Allah Hafiz.